ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
We started from Nagol and then from Nagol to Miyapur and then we halt was at Rasulpura and then from there we have boarded another train to Miyapur. Yes, the time taken was too less. We did not even feel that we have travelled such a long distance and then we come back. Really, it is very good if it is as far as the time is constrained. Time saying, and yes, we hope that soon it will be starting in all the twin cities so that it is available to us who are from Koti and then Varkapura. Thank you.
I have just been on the metro really covered and it's been an amazing experience. We have traveled at such a long distance and for the time travel. We were very lucky to know about this and we also had the opportunity to meet the members of the railway government. It is going to help the future generation and make life very easy.
We got this opportunity to travel on a metro. Without using a roadway, we can use metro as it is less polluted, and it's also the best way to reach farther distance in a less time.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.